Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I'm the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Coalition Applications prompt number 4, which reads, what is the hardest part of being a teenager now? What is the best part? What advice would you give a younger sibling or friend, assuming they would listen to you? In my opinion, prompt number 4 is the Coalition Application prompt option that feels the newest and the freshest. What are some major misconceptions people have about modern teenage life? Can you shed some light on these misunderstandings? What does it mean to be an adolescent in this day and age with the tools you have at your disposal? And what about being a teenager today is awesome in a way most people wouldn't expect? You can really be playful with this as long as you think critically and relate the essay and the subjects you're talking about back to your life, passions, and goals. Although this can be an opportunity to get a little silly and playful, it's also a moment for you to gain some perspective and think about what struggling means to you. What are some of the toughest challenges you're facing or that you know other people are facing? And what have you learned from dealing with these struggles and triumphs? As with service essays, if you're going to address a potentially common subject like bullying or body issues, make sure you're coming at it from a truly personal perspective. In the end, the essay shouldn't be about the teenage experience in general, but rather about an aspect of teenagehood you've chosen to tackle because of the way it represents you. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We will be releasing new videos regularly, and we also have a ton of advice up on our channel already, so check us out, and we look forward to seeing you soon.